Hello, welcome to a new school year. My name is Miss Romero and I'm the Spanish language arts and reading teacher. I am going to explain you how to use the homework folder. Okay, in the homework folder, you are going to find in here the words that we are working on the week. Every day of the week, you need to do something different with that words. And on Fridays, we are going to make a check on them to see if the students have mastered the words weekly. On the other hand, you need to read with your children for 20 minutes or 30 minutes from Christmas on. By now, it's just 20 minutes. When you read with them, you are going to write over here, leí 20 minutes with mom or dad or whoever it is, and then you are going to sign over here. But this is not the end of the reading homework. Now, depending on the day, you are going to find over here some questions that you need to ask your child. Okay, so if it's Monday, you are going to read a book and then you are going to ask these questions, just these ones, the ones for the Monday. If it's Tuesday, you are going to read in English and you are going to ask the same questions but in English. Okay, these are the questions for Wednesday, these are the questions for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You don't have to write them, just talk to your child and see if he or she has understood everything that you have been reading. Okay, and you're done. This is the reading homework. So two things. First thing, you need to copy your words depending on the day with a black pencil, with colors, or if it's Wednesday, you need to do triangles or drawings. That's your choice, or sentences on Thursdays. Now, the reading part. Right over here, how many minutes you have been reading with your children, and don't forget to ask the comprehension questions that pertain to that day. Okay, and this is it. Thank you so much for helping your children be successful.